Today, I'm gonna be trying some food. I got this shit from, I don't even know where the fuck I got it from. But it looks delicious, not gonna lie. I got me some Cheetos and this fruit punch. And we're gonna be trying it and rating it 1 through whatever the fuck. Like I said, I don't know where the fuck I got this shit from, but I got it, so I'm trying it. Got the motherfucking chicken. I mean, this chicken. How can you really fuck it up? Let's be honest here. Then we got the rice. Damn, bitch, come on. That rice is ass. That shit ass. 1 out of 10. The chicken was like a good 8 out of 10 though. But the rice, nah, it wasn't it. Cheetos. It's just ass. 9 out of 10. Fruit punch. It was good. 9 out of 10. Sunny D. Ain't even nothing in here. Overall, the food was pretty terrible. I probably rate it at 10 out of 10 if I could. But shit.